Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to seamlessly add your Google Drive files to Notion without manually copying links or uploading documents every time, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a free automatic connection between Google Drive and Notion, so your files can flow straight into your Notion workspace, saving you time, streamlining your workflow, and finally bridging that gap between two of your favorite productivity tools. All right, let's dive right in. The great news is you don't need to pay for this integration. You can connect Google Drive to Notion absolutely for free. This means you'll enjoy all the convenience without dipping into your budget. If you're hesitant because you've seen paid tools out there, don't worry. The method I'm showing today will cost you nothing. To get started, you'll head over to Zapier. If you haven't used Zapier before, it's an automation platform that lets you connect different apps without any coding. It really feels like having your own digital assistant doing the repetitive bits for you. Once you're on Zapier's website, look for a button or link that says Create. Click on that and then choose Zap. Think of a Zap as a little robot you program to do a job for you, in this case, moving Google Drive files into Notion anytime you want. Now in the next part, you'll search for a very specific automation. Type in Copilot Google Drive to Notion. That's Zapier's way of pulling up the right template for what we want to do. Don't worry if it takes a minute to load or you see a couple of options. Just make sure you select the one that mentions Google Drive and Notion. This step is crucial because it helps you tap into the exact shortcut you need, rather than building an automation from scratch. After you select it, Zapier's AI might take a little time to set up the basics for you. This is normal. The system is pulling together all the connections behind the scenes that will make your integration run smoothly. If you see a spinning wheel or a progress bar, just let it work. You don't need to do anything except wait for the automation to be created. Once the automation template is ready, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This allows Zapier to access your Drive files securely, so it can fetch, update, or copy them as part of your new workflow. It might ask you for a few permissions. That's just making sure it has the right access. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check you're logged into the one with the files you actually want to sync to Notion. The next step is to sign into Notion. Just like before, you'll enter your credentials so Zapier can send new files or links directly into your workspace. If Notion asks you to authorize Zapier, just follow the prompts. This is a standard part of connecting services securely. Take your time here. If you run into any issues, don't panic. Both platforms have helpful guides and support if you'd like extra reassurance. Once you're done connecting both systems, you can start the automation and hit publish. This tells Zapier to activate your new Zap, so from now on, whenever the workflow is triggered, for example, when a new file is added to a certain Drive folder, it'll show up automatically in Notion. That's it. You've set up a truly hands-off integration that will save you tons of time in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into a snag, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Subscribe for more practical step-by-step tutorials and get ready to supercharge your productivity with smarter workflows every week. Thanks for watching.